Hi everyone, today we are back with another financial remedy of garlic. You know, we use so many remedies. I told you we use so many remedies that are within our homes that most of us we didn't know. It's only people of our grandmothers, our mothers who knew that remedy. But we are also this generation who knows the remedy that attracts money. We use so many remedies like the tea, the honey, the cinnamon, the tea leaves. We use so much sea salt. We use so many remedies that we use within our home to attract money, to attract prosperity, to attract abundance, to attract positivity in our lives, to attract so many things in our well-being of our lives. So then we are back with another remedy of the garlic. So listen very careful. In case like you have a business, in case like you're a working person, in case you want to attract customers, look no further, look at garlic. If you're going to work, put one piece of garlic. Put one piece of garlic in your men, put one piece of garlic in your wallet. Women, put one piece of garlic in your handbag. Peel it very well. After peeling it very well, put it in your handbag or in your wallet for 7 days. Meanwhile, putting that garlic, manifest. Manifest before the end of this week. I want to get money. Manifest before the week ends. I want all the people I'm demanding my money to give me my money. Manifest the customers you've been waiting for to pay you. Manifest, I want all my customers to come and pay. Manifest whatever you want to manifest with garlic, because garlic attracts money. Manifest within the weekends. I don't want to be broke. I want to always have money in my wallet. I want to always have money in my hands. I want to always have money in my pocket. Throughout the week, you don't lack money. You're supposed to have money. So be manifesting that you want to have money. Garlic is a magnet. You get my point? It's a magnet in that it attracts money. It attracts abundance. It attracts prosperity, because it stands out for its uniqueness. It has that unique properties in it. The uniqueness in it, it attracts money. It's a magnet. And when it's a magnet, it attracts money. Garlic is used for protection. Protection from harmful things. Protection from evil eyes. It protects us from bad things. So it's used for protection. It's for spiritual cleansing. It cleanses your spirituality, spiritual strength, for spiritual strength. So in case you want like a job promotion for especially office ladies, office men, just put that garlic in your wallet and you manifest, I want a job promotion. You've been working for a very long time and there is no salary increase. Put that garlic in your wallet or in your bag and manifest, I want a salary increase. Trust me, do increase your salary, because garlic attracts money. It's a magnetic money. And when you've taken long on the same salary, you will definitely get salary increase. So just keep on manifesting using garlic, because garlic is one of the best remedy to use in attracting money, because it's a magnet to money. For those people who are going for a job interview, you're going for a job interview, put garlic in your pocket, and before you go to a job interview, go with garlic. Yes, I know you're not going to get a job immediately, but people has promised you a job, definitely will give you that job. Because after job interview, they're not going to give you a job there and then. No, it takes a process. It takes a process like screening out the best performers, you get. So it helps you, it helps people, people begin thinking about you. You get my point? People begin thinking about you. The interviewers or the bosses begin thinking about you. Like, we have to give this person a job. We have to give this person a job. And trust me, when you've put garlic in your wallet, the way I said, it attracts prosperity. It attracts only positive energy. You will definitely get that job. Garlic helps you to dispose of bad luck. In case like you're going somewhere or you're within your home, trust me, bad luck will never come to you. Bad luck will never come to you because it helps to dispose of that bad luck and attracts prosperity. Disposes of bad luck and attracts prosperity. So we have so many things to use in order to attract money. As I said, garlic is one of them. And garlic also has so many important benefits within our homes. For example, like you're sick, those infections, yeah? Get one piece of garlic and put it under your V. It will fight off all those infections. Garlic fights all, most, not all kind, or not, I shouldn't say like all diseases, but fights most of the diseases. Most of the diseases. You get? So it's not for only putting in food. Garlic is a natural financial breakthrough. You get my point? It's a financial breakthrough. So garlic is one of the best natural home remedy you shouldn't avoid. You should be moving with it anywhere, wherever you go. And whenever you put it in a bag for 7 days, remove it, put a fresh one. Remove another one, put a fresh one. For 7 days, be just be removing, changing. Be changing. After 7 days, you change another one. After 7 days, you change another one. And whenever you change another one, you keep on manifesting whatever you want to manifest. For customers, for money, for happiness, for richness, you always keep on attracting that. So today we are ending with that video. Come back in the comment section below, comment, subscribe, like, and share. When you share that video, people learn to know the benefits of garlic in their lives. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Bye. See you in another video.